Did you know Progress Chef now supports the execution of Ansible playbooks? Chef can orchestrate end-to-end workflows, implementing, enforcing compliance, and remediation in one smooth pipeline. Kubespray is a production-grade, Ansible-based Kubernetes deployment framework maintained by the Kubernetes SIG Cluster Lifecycle community. It abstracts the complexity of bootstrapping Kubernetes control planes, networking, container runtimes, and node lifecycle operations into a repeatable and declarative process. In this demo, Kubespray handles the Kubernetes installation, while Chef orchestrates implementation, validation, security assessment, and remediation in a single automated pipeline. We will then utilize the Automate dashboard, deployed on SaaS, to visualize the results through a centralized dashboard. We start by logging into the Progress Chef 360 platform. At this point, the Kubernetes application is not installed. So let's create a new job. Users can use a pre-built template or duplicate a previously executed job. For this demo, we'll duplicate an existing job and run all actions on the control node. First, Chef enables you to execute Ansible content directly from a public repository, such as Git or S3, or from the local file system. For this demo, we're executing directly from local directories. Next, we demonstrate how Chef can orchestrate a comprehensive workflow across multiple phases, including validation, security assessment, and remediation. To do this, we run a CIS compliance scan on the control node using inspec. In this demo, we have limited the scan to 4 controls. Based on the scan results, Chef programmatically decides the next steps. The third step remediates the issues identified in the compliance scan. Here, we're using the shell interpreter, which can also be performed with the Chef client interpreter, depending on your operational preference. Before executing the job, let's briefly look at the controls. First, the CIS profile applied to the node contains 4 controls. The first verifies that the system password file exists. The second control ensures that sensitive password hashes stored in the shadow file are protected. The third confirms that SSH is configured to use Protocol 2, and the fourth checks that direct root login over SSH is disabled. This playbook acts as the bridge between Chef and Kubespray. It turns what is usually a complex, multi-role Kubernetes deployment into a single repeatable action that fits cleanly into an end-to-end automation pipeline. Next, let's look at Automate. In this demo, we are using the SaaS version of Automate. However, the same workflow can be applied to an on-premises deployment. We execute a custom CIS compliance profile on the node and name the scan Kubernetes Initial Scan. The scan completes in just a few seconds, and we see 2 controls passing and 2 failing. We now return to Chef 360 and execute the job, which runs for a couple of minutes. On successful execution, we see all 3 steps marked as successful. We also see that the Kubernetes landing page with live node details confirms that the cluster has been deployed. Finally, we run the compliance scan one last time using the same custom CIS profile. This time, the results indicate that all 4 controls have been successfully passed, confirming the successful remediation. This demo highlights how Chef can orchestrate complex, real-world infrastructure workflows from start to finish using proven open-source technologies. By combining Kubespray for Kubernetes provisioning, inspec for CIS compliance assessment and automated remediation actions, and Chef for orchestration, you can see how deployment, security, and verification can be treated as a single continuous process. The result is a repeatable, auditable, and scalable automation pipeline that not only builds Kubernetes clusters, but also validates and enforces security postures, providing teams with faster outcomes, clear visibility, and confidence across the entire infrastructure lifecycle.